Welcome everyone. This is Spirituality Decoded for Everyone. I'm Dr. Olivia Tatara.
Dr. Yaakov.
And we're here today very excited to talk about a topic that's very close to us, that is art as well. We just got into a deeper level of what anime means for everyone, and we know a lot of you out there have this art within inside of you. So Dr. Yaakov is going to go deeper into the meaning of our art that is universal, that does have aspects of spirituality and inner meaning of self-reflection inside this thing that people love called anime or manga, all these different things. So thank you for being here. It's going to be an exciting episode.
So, welcome everyone, and we welcome you in our understanding. You're going to hear some walkie-talkies and different things going on because we're on our special retreat. But the thing is that Junghwa Jeche Gung Fu and Solutions Made Easy Inc. wanted to take everybody on a journey, and we wanted to involve all different cultures, religions, and we were the founders of Black Magic Removal Worldwide.com, and we're the #1 website, and we only did it to rid all the phonies, and then everybody tried to attack it, so we shut it down. And then we recently opened it back up because Master Shane is going to be taking over that department, and there's going to be certain ways. Now, with the anime, we are journeying into a structure that if you watch our videos, you will not only learn a lifestyle, you will learn eating, mannerism, Junghwa Jeche Gung Fu, and that will be a donation that we ask you to understand that these videos are made, even though we're a non-profit. We do not collect money from the government. We do it with our own avenues of money. There's nothing against it. If you are and do that, that's okay, but we don't. And on top of that, we label everything as an experiment because you are an experiment. Like, if I were to get on a mic and I said, OAT, you there?
Yeah, I'm over here.
OAT, I'm trying to reach OAT. Hold on.
Can you hear me now?
Wait a minute. Let me see. Here we go. You there?
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you. How do you hear me?
I hear you through the telecom.
So, how do we use a 16-mile walkie-talkie just for two people in your therapy of your energy art as a coach that you train master teachers? What do you do with this, and why is it 16 miles? And that means that people could be in specific locations and you can assist them.
We're getting into all the different views of technology, right? So there's phones, there's computers, and look at this simplistic way where you're on a channel, a walkie-talkie between one, two, or many people. So it's the frequency and the simplicity and also the openness where it's not too complicated. It's the same thing as like having a handheld radio where you can flip the dial through the frequencies. So it's used to connect people and also evolve their brains.
So, as we speak, there's one thing that happens that most of you can't do. Shut up and listen. Because you gotta pause and wait until I let go of the button and you gotta hear me. You can't talk over me or there's static. See? Each click. If I go to call Olivia 16 miles away,
Dr. Olivia Tatara, I'm here.
we got an emergency.
I'm within your radius, within 16 miles.
We have a code rainbow. A code rainbow?
Confirmed. Code rainbow confirmed.
What is code rainbow? Code rainbow is someone that has been eating the wrong food, someone that has been eating bread, someone that has carbohydrates, someone that's on medicine, someone that says they're trying to lose weight, so on, victim, and so forth. So Olivia works this thing that we're going to be having out soon, where it's going to be a main channel that you'll be told to go on, and you would have to have your equipment to reach us, and we will take calls this way. We are not, I repeat, we will not change this code. Stay tuned, but until then, listen to Dr. Olivia Tatara.
Going into why we are here, you hear this in a different frequency. However it comes through is different than what it is when you're just being on the microphone. This is through many different channels and frequencies. So we're going into the healing art with inside of everyone that sees something inside of them that they want to portray to the world. What does anime mean to you? This beauty, this attainment, also from a certain culture, but it goes beyond into all cultures to unite everyone. So, where can you find the piece of you that never left, where you're whole in all parts that you want to be? So achievement and goals, and also creative expression.
OAT out.
Yaakov Healing Art out.
Out.